So now let's see how we can work around with tone mapping color options inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with tone mapping color options, you need to go around onto the colors menu right here, and then you need to go around over here onto tone mapping right here. And over here, there's different tone mapping options as you can see right here. So if I were to go around over here onto the first one right here, I can go around and change around the tone of the image right here. So as I go around and change it right here, just like this, you can see that it starts to process out the colors right here, just like this. So let's just go around, decrease out the beta right here, just like this, as you can see right here. And then you start seeing out the tone mapping right here, just like this, and you get more details out right here. You can also go around and then change around the saturation level right here, just like this, and then add in a bit of noise right here if you want as well. And that is what you have. And that is how you can work around with tone mapping right here, just like this. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, and if I were to go around over here onto tone mapping and then go for the second option right here. Now around over here, what I can do is I can work around with the contrast of tone mapping right here. So I can go around, change around the contrast right here. I can change around the saturation and the detail level. And then what happens is that it'll simply go around and apply it out right here accordingly right here. Subtle changes happen right here. So you can see the before and after right here, just like this. So that is another type of tone mapping. Apart from that, if I were to go around over here onto the third tone mapping right here, then that is the brightness, as you can see right here. If I were to go around over here, then you can see that that is what you have. I can go around for light adoption and so forth, and this is what I have right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and if I were to go around over here onto tone mapping, then the fourth option is stress right here, as you can see right here, where I can go around and change around the radius right here, just like this, and so forth. You can work around with the sample, the iteration, and so forth right here, just like this. Press OK, and this is what you have. Let me just press Ctrl Z around over here as well. And then it starts to load right here. So let's just go around over here, and you can see that it is actually applying the information out. So let's just press Ctrl Z, and if I were to go around onto color and onto tone mapping, I can go around onto the fifth option right here as well. So I can go around and then use image enhancement, go for low or go for high image enhancement right here, or uniform right here, just like this. You can work around with the scale right here, and you see the preview round over of the image right here. You can change around the dynamicness right here. Press OK, and what happens is that the filtering get applied, and this is the effect that you get right here. So that is how you can work around with the tone mapping color options inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.